today's the day I made the small improvement. I didn't like what was on there before for sound. It was kind of mild, low, quiet even. But this is what I call an exhaust sound. So I'm gonna put you right here and you're gonna listen. That is on my car. Haven't owned a car in like a few years here. Voila! Ooh la la. Anyway, I hope you guys like the average noise, the average sound. It's beautiful. She's not straight piped either. Just minor fucking defect I had to pull off. The thing said it was a Magnaflow. Pow. Love it. Have a good day, guys. Peoples.